Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Good morning is what I like to start with क्योंकि अभी मतलब 3:30 हुए हैं but I just woke up like how like I think 40 minutes ago, maybe 2:40 I think नींद खुली, I'm not sure. हाँ तो I've just showered and I'm sitting. So yeah, this vlog, as you can get by the title, is gonna be spend a weekend with me. Plus, it's Kuru week. So Kurukshetra is basically an event that happens in Flame, and it's like a sports event, inter-college sports event. So yeah, that's what's going on college mein, and it's been so fun. Like yesterday, so I'll show you around everything, and let's go. I have to go get something to eat because I haven't had anything, and then I've gym. So let's go. Well, do you guys want to see a new addition that's just been made to Flames Cafes? Wait, let me show you. Look, there's a whole ass Kit Kat cafe. It's not open. Look, it's right behind me. It's not open yet, but it is going to be open soon. So yeah, we will go try it out when it's open. The food has been secured after 10 good minutes. 10 भी नहीं actually. 15-20 minutes हो चुके हैं, दिमाग खराब. But yeah, now we're walking back to room because मेरे को मूवी देखनी है. तो अब हम वहाँ खाएंगे. There's a match going on, the Flame and some other team, I'm not sure. I was just here to keep the awards. I am in the awards team in the Kuru. I'm supposed to write certificates and conduct opening and closing ceremonies, so that's what my duty is. Time to give awards. Let's go. I was editing the video and I realized कि मेरे कोई अपडेट नहीं दिया है. तो बेसिकली हमारे कैंपस पे डू नॉट बाय वेरी सिक, हमारे कैंपस पे एक रेड बुल का आर्केड था और हम लोग वहाँ पे खेल रहे थे. तो दिस इज़ मी शोइंग यू इट. Go watch. We are now at GFC. Say hi to my vlog. 200 सब्सक्राइबर भी नहीं होंगे मेरे. Say hi to my vlog.
फटाले टटाले से फटाले अच्छा शायद है फिर
Currently 1:30 a.m. and we're out. हमारा मंगलसूत्र. We have successfully made. We have successfully made 2 reels. चुप हो जा भाई. ध्रुवी. वापस. हाँ मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. Anyway, for content purposes हम लोग एक रील बना रहे हैं जिसमें मैं जान्या को छू के भाग जाऊंगी. और फिर तू क्या करेगी बता.
These are my private parts, nobody should see it.
ये करेगी ये APJ में, which is where we study. Matching pajamas. Fun. Hello. It is the end of Saturday. अभी 5 बज रहे हैं और I think अब मैं सोने जाने वाली हूँ. I didn't record much today I think. मतलब मेरे को पता नहीं. I did record but मेरे को आइडिया नहीं है मैंने कितना रिकॉर्ड कर लिया है. तो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट स्निपेट्स. बट आज बहुत मज़ा आया. हम लिटरली 4 बजे तक बाहर थे. सो फकिंग फन. तो अब लेट्स सी व्हाट संडे हैज़ इन स्टोर फॉर अस. गुड नाइट गाइस. गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस. एक्चुअली इट्स करंटली आफ्टरनून. 2 बज रहे हैं. आई एम गोइंग फॉर लंच एंड आई कॉल्ड जान्या फॉर लाइक 5 times and that bitch she has her phone on DND और वो सोई जा रही है. तो we're going for lunch alone because I don't have time. It's 2. I have to report for my duty at 4:15. So I have to go have lunch, come back quickly and do shit. But anyway, what's on the agenda for today? I have duty at 4:15 and then we have to go to stand up. Pari and I are going. Bassi ka stand up and I'm so fucking excited. So yeah, come along. But there's one thing I love about Flame. Like Flame ka mess. Is there chole chawal, there dal chawal, there rajma chawal. There rajma chawal are bomb. Like I love them. I never miss a rajma chawal day. That is for sure. Amazing. I know you can't. I mean मुझे नहीं पता कि आप लोग देख नहीं पाए होंगे बट क्योंकि मेरे को एंगल नहीं समझ आ रहा था. पर we are on duty again. This my outfit for today is the same t-shirt. आज मैं जिम भी नहीं जा पाई क्योंकि बहुत टाइम मतलब I woke up late because we slept late. I really need to fix my routine bro. I will lock in from like Feb because अब जाने में बस 5 दिन रह गए. मेरे को इतना फ़नी लगता है. मेरे दोस्त और जो मेरे घर वाले हैं वो लोग दिल्ली में बोलते रहते हैं कितनी ठंड है और फिर मैं उनको ये भेजती हूँ 30 डिग्री टेम्परेचर. It's like summer's here. Okay, we'll do it right now and we'll do भाई इतनी गांड फाड़ गर्मी हो रही है ना यहाँ पे. मैं थोड़ा सा चलती हूँ पसीना आ जाता है. और एक्चुअली उसके ऊपर से ये सारे क्लब्स वाले ये लोग इतना काम करवाते हैं भाई. मेरे को एक एंड से दूसरे एंड तक भेजा सर्टिफिकेट्स लाने के लिए. अब we have to go get ready for stand up and I have to wash my face. We are now in auto going to the place where the stand up's happening. Up, I don't know how much I'll be allowed to shoot there, but let's see. We made it, gang. We have finally reached. Wait, let me show you what it's like.
कर ले सच में नीचे कर ले बकवास करो इसे बहुत अजीब सा मुंह आता है इसे कैमरे में फिल्टर लगा के दिया है लोगों ने ठीक है बताओ फटाफट बन गया वीडियो.
We have had food, packed some also, and now we're in the shuttle again.
I had McDonald's.
We
had McDonald's.
चल बता परी शो कैसा था.
मैंने एक्सपेक्ट किया था बहुत ज़्यादा फनी होगा, इतना फनी भी नहीं था.
भाई वाइब किल करी है तूने मेरी. हंसी नहीं रही थी
अरे
शो
फालतू में
में.
हंसू में तो फनी नहीं है.
हाँ हंस भाई. हंसने आई
अच्छे
है.
जोक्स मैं मारती हूँ.
जा फिर खड़ी हो जा माइक लेके.
मैं स्टेज पे नहीं आती.
तुझके थेरेपी में मारेगी जब देरी होएगी तो.
प्रीमियम सब्सक्रिप्शन ब्रो, ओनली फॉर प्रीमियम पीपल.
Ending the night with ending up at the infirmary. Ask us why. Because
My foot is swollen.
show. No, my foot fetish. No foot reveal. Bichari pari.
No, bitch pari. Better be a bitch than a bichari.
फिलहाल तो तू बिचारी है अपने पैर को लेके. बिच तो नहीं है. लाइनें मरवा लो बस फालतू की. कूल बनना है.
बनने की बात नहीं है.
Nice joke.
तो बस
तो चुप हो जा भाई. Gang, look at my hand. These are my actual nails, by the way. My first time. Hopefully last time also. So, yeah, this is what the ambulance looks like. We are back at it again. हम बस वेलों की तरह घूमे जा रहे हैं.
क्योंकि आप घूम सकते हैं.
Actually, not true. हमारे सामने कपल बैठा था. हम उनकी बातें सुनने की कोशिश कर रहे थे और वो दोनों अभी हमारे सामने से उठ के चले गए हैं.
सैड.
बड़ी कुछ
कपल भी नहीं भाई, लेस्बियन कपल.
तो कपल
लेस्बियन.
homophobic. I do not invite this homophobia on my channel.
बाय.
You homophobic piece of shit.
भाई गाड़ी चलने में लाउड है क्या इस टाइम पे?
कर्फ्यू नहीं है तो कुछ भी चलाओ.
गाड़ी चला लो. गाड़ी में कौन सा लॉजी वर्क हो रहा है भाई?
तेरे को पता ना गार्ड्स को घंटा फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा. हमें चूतियों की तरह आईडी पहन के घूम रहे हैं. Good morning guys. Actually good afternoon. We're currently at the cricket field because we're doing award ceremony for that today. I have been doing award ceremony since 12 p.m. It is currently 2 p.m. I did not have time to record it all. I had to rush. So yeah. Guys, guess who's back? From Mumbai. Dhruvi, how was Mumbai?
Very nice. Very nice.
She went to attend Lola, leaving us.
Oops, my bad.
Now we're going to attend concert
Campus.
at the campus? In the campus.
Flame band.
तो अब हम आ जा रहे हैं.
बहुत
And-
कॉन्सर्ट हो रहा है मेरे भाई.
है ना?
Never gonna run around and desert you. Never gonna make you cry. Never gonna say goodbye. Never gonna tell a lie and hurt you. We've known each other.
ये तो बड़ा इवेंट था इसलिए अमाउंट भी बड़ा था मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम वी हैव सब्सिडाइज्ड
Okay, guys, hello.
Chora patinada, errada, tá arrumada, começou te lua.
So I was editing the vlog and I realized that I didn't shoot the things that I bought. So Kuru's over. This is the next day and I want to show you all the things that I bought or got done. So the first thing is this perfume. Is the Femme Fatale. One of my friends here, she owns a business, so she set up a stall and it smells so good and it's non-alcoholic. Then I got this charm bracelet. So basically one's a seashell because I love beaches, then one's my initial, and then butterfly. I really love butterflies. I also have them tattooed on, well, I also have one tattooed on me, so yeah, so I really love butterflies. And another thing, it's my favorite thing, I got a temp tattoo. So I got it right here and I absolutely love it. I love the placement. So yeah, this was it. I hope you enjoyed this vlog, even though I was not able to shoot a lot, but I hope it's fine. And yeah, I'll see you soon, hopefully. Bye.